Ooh. This thing needs a wash. By the end of today, if all goes well, this car will not have all of this negative camber anymore. All of the wheels are taken off of the car right now. I don't know why I was wearing a hoodie in the beginning of the video. It is just way too hot for that, especially after jacking this car up and taking off all the wheels. So yeah, I'm super excited. We are saying bye to all of this stretch on the Workmeisters. We got a super nice set of Federal RSRRs. These tires have to be my favorite tires of all time, simply because they just look so nice. Like, look at the tread on this. It literally looks like flames. Before we head to the tire shop, I need to take off this tire pressure monitor system that I have on my wheels. It's pretty much like the Bluetooth thing that reads all of the PSI. I can see it from the inside of my car through this little screen right here, but I have no idea where the wrench is to take it off. So pretty much lost the wrench and I'm trying to find it right now. It's the most annoying thing ever. The smallest wrench ever, so that's what's making it so hard. Can't seem to find it, so we are gonna have to figure out if we can use one of these normal wrenches. I'm gonna guess it's like a 12. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it is this little gold ring right here. It pretty much locks this in place so like nobody can steal it. Maybe it's a 12? Nope. A 13. It is a 13. Yeah, it's just like a locking ring, a reverse threaded one. So now I'm able to unscrew these. These things are life changers. I highly recommend these if you guys run any type of stretch tire, because you can literally just view your tire pressures from inside of your car without having to stress from like the beating and stuff. It is so weird hopping in like an automatic car if you drive like a manual every single day. Just so weird. Like, I feel like I'm about to stall when I stop because I'm just so used to putting the clutch down when driving my car. While I'm on the way to the tire shop right now, since I have a little bit of time, I quickly want to talk to you guys about something. So I've recently been working like a lot. I've been working 2 jobs, and that's pretty much the reason why it took me so long to come out with an upload. My previous video, it took me like almost a week and a half, I believe. It was just so hard to come up with time. I'm still kind of working around it. Try to implement time to like focus on myself, do things that I like, instead of just, you know, working all day, dedicating my life to like work. I feel like that is really important, and this pretty much goes with anything. Like, if you work a job, if you go to school all day, homework, all that stuff, it is just so important to try and implement the things you love to do in life in your daily routine, because if you really just dedicate your life to working, waking up, going to work, going to bed right after, it just becomes boring and you just really find yourself unhappy. And you know, it might not be intentional and you don't really see it coming. You kind of just catch yourself in the middle of it, and you kind of just gotta like snap back into it and just like realize, like, you know, I need to do things that I enjoy doing so I don't go crazy and just become unhappy and stressed and all that stuff. It's just super important to do the things you like in life, whether it's spending time with your family, girlfriend, just playing video games, running, literally anything, whatever makes you happy. Be sure to do that, because life is way too short to just be stressing about work and just not having the time to do things that are important. You gotta have fun and be happy. That's what life is all about. So freaking nice, man. I need one of those in my life. Oh my gosh. You guys already know that's my dream car. Like of all time, I want a Mustang so bad. Anyways, I'm off topic right now. I think I left off on life being too short. I don't know, I talk about this because it literally means a lot to me. Like I really hold this in my heart. But it's true, man, life is so short. Like you just never know when your time is up. You could die tonight, tomorrow, in 2 hours. You literally never know. Literally live your life to the fullest because you just never know what could happen. I like to think, like if I were to die tomorrow, I ask myself pretty much every day, have I lived my life to the fullest? Did I do as much as I can today as possible? Or was I just like sitting on my ass doing nothing and just wasting time? That's what I like to think about. Just really changes your mindset and like kind of snaps you in place. Time is precious, man. Like you only have 24 hours a day and you just got to make the best out of it. Spark plugs, you ready? No? No?
Dude, my back's already fucking hurting.
Dude, your back will hurt with this job. Day 2 of the vlog. Have my friend over. We're just working on his spark plugs. Is that a word? Tedious?
Yes.
Tedious. Very tedious job. The spark plugs sit all the way at the bottom. I actually did them on my car already, which I made a video on. Yeah, and your back will definitely hurt.
Dude, I feel like it's
Mine hurt for like 3 days. I didn't lift the engine. I just did it the way it is. I know I didn't show you guys yet after I put the tires on the car. Here's how it sits. This is the helicopter. The car is super dirty, but these are definitely my favorite tires. As you can see, just the tread looks so freaking sick, especially from this angle. Since I'm running no camber, I actually don't even need a spacer for the front, so I'm actually just running a 5mm just to poke it out just a little bit. Overall, I don't even need a spacer for the front, which is cool. These tires look so freaking nice. I literally cannot get over the tread. Then for the backs, I'm still working on the back. I'm running a 20mm spacer right now. No spacer at all, it sinks in pretty far, which I do not like. So the smallest spacer I have is a 20mm. I'm actually waiting for a 15mm because I feel like this just pokes out just a little too far as I rub right here, and I also want to go a little bit lower because my car looks like a monster truck still. So yeah, with that 15mm, this will push the wheel in just a little bit, and I'll be able to lower the car just a little bit as well. Reason being is because I just feel like the front sits way lower than the rear. Just kind of looks uneven. Since it gets dark super early now, I actually went ahead and picked up a little light. I feel like the lighting in here isn't that bright. 5,000 lumen LED work light, just to brighten things up a bit in here, whether it be in the garage or outside. Oh my gosh, dude, this really looked like an explosion on camera. That's definitely gonna help with filming at night for you guys. Well, look at it.
Okay.
Oh. With a lot of patience, you'll be able to change spark plugs on this car. It's not the hardest thing, but definitely takes some time and a lot of bruising and cutting of the hands. Yo, this work light has come in clutch so good tonight. We just finished up spark plugs on his car, a whole bunch of car stuff. Literally never work on my car at night like this because I've never had like a light. Now that we have it, it just makes it so much easier to work on cars. Like, look how bright it is. Do you think it's gonna start?
Yes.
The spark plugs? If we did everything right, this was the most scariest part when I did my spark plugs. Like, trying to start my car, it was like the most scariest thing ever. That's a big pipe. Alright, moment of truth. It's gonna be so loud. Oh gosh, it is so loud. Heck yeah. Freaking works. Nice. Okay, that's sick. It works. The reason why he wanted to change the spark plugs is because he was actually misfiring on one of his cylinders. And by the looks of it, it's not misfiring anymore. It's pretty good. Whoever's watching this right now, we are actually installing something on my FRS that's in this area. In this area right now. It's a little sneak peek for you guys. It's gonna be a new install for my car. So comment down below what you guys think it's gonna be. What is it gonna be? The seat? Shift knob? Stereo? Comment down below. Alright guys, so we are back inside now. It was a very long day, super tiring as well. I feel like I haven't worked on cars with my friends in such a long time. I've just been so busy with work. It's been a while. It's literally been so long. It was just nice to dedicate like a handful of hours to working on cars and spending time with my friends. It just brought me back to like what I really enjoy doing. And overall, it was just a very good time. I know I briefly showed you guys the new tires that are on the FRS right now. I'll save more footage for the next video. We have a lot to come for the FRS. I still have some stuff coming in the mail. And I also have some stuff in the garage that I've yet to install. Like I said, it's just been really hard trying to find time to do all these installs, but I'm slowly adjusting to the new schedule. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video, finish it off. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like and drop a comment down below what you guys think of the new tires that are on the wheels. Do you guys like these ones better or the previous ones when they're stretched? I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.